Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobay. Today I will be exploring what is guerrilla marketing. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. So what is guerrilla marketing? Well, this is a marketing tactic where a company uses surprise or unconventional interactions to promote a product or service. Now, the term guerrilla marketing was coined in the early 1980s by the business owner and writer J. Conrad Levinson, who wrote several books about guerrilla tactics in a number of professional areas. Now, this marketing tactic is different from traditional forms of marketing in that it offers it often relies on personal interaction, and typically there might be a shock or a surprise element to the marketing, and usually it is location specific. Now, these unconventional marketing campaigns are designed to catch people's attention unexpectedly in the course of their day-to-day routines, like going to work or having coffee on a patio. It literally catches people off guard. Now, what marketers really like about guerrilla marketing is that it can be low-cost alternative to typical campaigns. It's really all about the creative approach and the hook. So, in today's world where we are flooded with messaging, guerrilla marketing is really a great way to get people's attention and create a social media buzz. There are different types of guerrilla marketing, and here are some main examples. Outdoor guerrilla marketing. This is usually add something to pre-existing urban environments, like placing out-of-the-ordinary signage or artwork on sidewalks and streets. Indoor guerrilla marketing, similar to outdoor, only it takes place in locations like, say, subway stations or malls. Event ambush marketing. So this leverages the audience's attention during an event, usually without the permission from the organizers. And finally, experiential guerrilla marketing. This is all about the above, but includes an element that requires the public to interact with the brand. Now, there are lots of examples of guerrilla marketing, but I chose to show you a cool one created by UNICEF. This was their Dirty Water Vending Machines campaign, which was placed in various city centers. Now, it posed the question, what if those bottles of water you waste money on were filled with dirty water? Its aim was to remind everyday people that there are many parts of the world where entire populations have no access to clean drinking water. So instead of spending money on bottled water, donate to UNICEF, and they can bring about, through their initiatives, clean drinking water to different populations around the world. Very cool indeed. So what I want to stress here is that marketing tactic, this particular one, can be done on a low budget, as I mentioned. It's great for either nonprofits or startups. Maybe think local. If you are a small company or organization, choose a local spot around your location and think how this can work for you. Does it get a lot of foot traffic? Who is likely to see your marketing tactic? Also, it's all about the creative itself. You need to really think outside the box. So what will be that element of surprise or shock? What is your marketing message? It needs to be obvious, or at least pose a question in people's minds. You want to leave people wondering and then entice them to take an action that benefits your brand. Now, having said all of this, guerrilla marketing tactics aren't for everyone. You really need to consider if it's appropriate for your brand. There's no guarantee that your campaign will actually go viral. You may put a huge amount of effort into it and then see little result. And although you may get positive traction on social, you may also get some negative feedback. So you need to weigh the pros and cons carefully. To be honest, this tactic is definitely a risk. All the factors I've mentioned need to come together from your creative to getting an audience response. But if it works, it's really a risk worth taking. So what do you think? Have you seen any cool guerrilla tactics in your city that have either worked or not? I would love to hear your thoughts. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please do hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and, well, you never miss an episode. Links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned. And together, let's solve it like a marketer.